Hello, my friends. There's a big Sunday coming up. It's February 8th, and a lot of people are going to be glued to their televisions that day. I'm not allowed to say what it is, so I will just say it's Super Sunday. And I'll be honest, I probably won't be watching. I might watch for the commercials, but I might not. I don't know. I think I might be in my craft room crafting. Anyway, before the big game starts, I always like to get together with all my peeps, all of you, and share some new items with you that are on flash sale for that day. Just because it's a Super Sunday, why not have stamps involved? So it's Super Stamp Sunday. I just renamed it. Super Stamp Sunday, February 8th, before the big game, well before the big game. We are going to have a get-together live where we can chat. We'll do some contests. We're going to chat. We're going to visit. I'm going to show you some new products that are on flash sale, and we're just going to have a good time. Rest assured, we will finish before the game starts. We will finish in time for you to drive anywhere you're going to go, maybe a friend's house, family member's house. You'll be able to you won't miss anything of the big game, but we need some crafty time beforehand, right? Super Stamp Sunday. That's what it is. So mark your calendars. Way before the big game starts, we're going to get together and have some fun. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.